So once it's restart, so there my computer is I press F12 button to go to the boot menu. So there is I have to go on DVD option and start it for to boot from DVD. So now it's showing once it's catch the CD, it's boot from CD my computer, and the first page is come up, select the language country, so leave it US English, and go to the next, install. So now I gonna select which window I want to install it. So I gonna go 64 Windows 10 Pro 60 x64, enter. Accept the license, next, customize, because I want to have my window on the C drive. So I gonna format the old window, because the old window is window 8 and now new window will be window 10. So my old window is on C drive, which one is, that's the one. So I want to delete everything from that C drive. So select the whatever, wherever you want to put it in the new window, or you want to format, so just select it. So at the time I gonna select this window and I gonna format, so select OK. So it's gonna format, and now you see, before there was 196 GB empty space, so now it's totally empty. So I gonna select this one and I gonna go next. So now it's installing. So I gonna stop moving for a couple of minutes, so, and for to save the time. So still it's loading. So it's almost complete, very soon it's going to finish. So let's see how it's go. During installation, computer will start couple of time automatically. So as you can see, it's start now, restart. So Another restart. So I own it, that computer. Next, your Microsoft account open and Word are gonna hit sign into account. So I'm gonna put my email and password. So after sign in, I put the email address and password. So then next, set up new pin and password. So let me put new. I will do it later. I don't need to do it right now. Get your file here, there, and everywhere. Next. So not now. So yes, I allow my PC to discover everything. So yeah, that's the first look for Windows 10. So thank you very much guys. It's very easy to install Windows. Not there is nothing much complicated, just you have to click next, and some places you have to choose something different, and it's not big problem. Thank you, bye.